Kids built their Ironman cars. We brought them home to race and try them out. So let the race begin. Woohoo! Hey Hobby Kids, come over and show us your cars. So what do you want to do?
Open our cars.
Alright, Hobby Kids are going to open up their cars. Okay, let's see how you built them. They're parked in their box garage. Take them out, guys. Disney ride makers. Tell me what you got.
I got it.
Oh my goodness. Let's see if Hobby Kids can tell us the name of their cars they built. Hobby Kid, what's the name of yours?
Ironman.
What's yours?
Ironman Cell.
Awesome. Okay.
It lights up.
It lights up. Let me see.
Lights up.
Cool tire.
Yeah. Awesome time.
Alright, we're going to see these cars in action.
I got a remote.
Does HobbyKid have one too?
And Stealth's a tall one. That's pretty cool. His eyes light up too. Alright Hobby Kids, I think you've warmed these cars really good. Let's put them in action.
I think I have an idea.
How about if we race?
Yeah.
Okay, cars are ready. On your mark. Get set. Go! Where are you going? You're supposed to be over here.
Yeah.
I think they got out of control. Let's try that again, guys.
I'm putting a remote.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
You can do it backwards. No.
On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh man, it looked like a tie to me. Okay, this is gonna be serious. Ready, guys? On your mark. Get set. And go! You win! Tie! Hey, look, HobbyBaby wants in on the action. Get it, HobbyBaby. Get the stone. Can't seem to get it. Oh!
I want to have one.
Oh!
Let's see that again.
I want to have one.
Ironman Stealth. Subscribe. Share. Ironman. Thumbs up. Next video, Patrick Conehead. Click on the next video and watch Spider-Man and Thor duke it out. Or how about Patrick Conehead?